When you're not in Thailand, bring Thailand to you. Thai chili tuna creations. It doesn't look so fantastic. Some people say, I chopped up a salad real quick. Here's some leftover parts. Just throw it all into the same plate. What I'll do is I'll take this over here, this tuna, slap it on top. Hold on. Alright, it's on there, but here's the ironic part. I don't know. I'm in the States eating a Thai chili tuna, and it's a product of Ecuador. Huh? Really bold to be a little bit spicy. That's where the peppers in there. I'm kind of spread it around a little bit. Usually I'll add some seeds. Probably still put something on top. Let's put it back in the bowl. Oh, you should put cheese in. If I take a different knife, this is my par. This knife is needed. It's like a vegan knife. I'd say vegetarian, but vegetarian actually could be, dairy. It's like a vegan knife with no dairy, no meat. Now, hold on, I'm gonna switch knives, and also want to go to my stash over here and get. All right, had to wait till the landscapers are done, but we have sunflower kernels, roasted sunflower kernels, salted, and pepitas, which is basically simply pumpkin seeds. I thought I had dried cranberries, but I don't seem to have that. Something else. No, prunes. Weird. No, I forget if I'm just going to use the prunes. I need some kind of like little sweetness in there and bits of fruit, kind of cuts with cheese. The cheese I think is Monterey Jack. Let's get some peppers, pepitas in there, and some other kernels. I just want to hand it. Let me get one of those things. Alright. Oops, they fall in there. Let's see if I can get this open with one hand. Not really happening. Hold on. There we go. The magic of pausing. Also, I'll use my teeth a little bit. Like with the secondary hand. Let's go. Salty. And actually, cheese is well good. Yeah, cheese is Monterey Jack. From the cheese guy. Let's see here, down here. I usually look for this. I have to see the OU, but also Challah Israel, which means that it comes from cow milk, or could be goat milk, but it has to be actually milked, or the process needs to be watched by a religious Jew to make sure it needs to be observed. It needs to be just with any other kashrut or kosher supervision. It needs to be supervised the whole way. That's it. Done. Okay, you'll notice I moved to the blue knife. The blue being dairy. It reminds me of dairy. And the blue cutting board. Before it was green. These are the slices of cheese that it took. I'm gonna cut them in half and then cube it somehow. And look at this piece of cheese. I brought this up Sunday. It's only Wednesday. Very tasty cheese. So what I do is I make them in strips and then cut little and sort of dice it. Try and do this with one hand. Not so simple. Now you see I sliced up the prunes a little bit, and I have some Zesty Italian with an OU on it right here. It's kosher. It's parv, means vegan, I guess you could call it. We pour a little bit of this on top, and we're all good to go. Alright, so she worked. Here's the final product. Spoon in. Got my trusty Royal Caribbean cup with my homemade iced coffee and rebottled water. That's lunch. Brunch? Lunch? I don't know. Cheers. Been a kosher tourist in Vero Beach, Florida.